So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove any unwanted backgrounds from your images. We are going to use an app called Paint 3D that comes with Windows 10. I don't know if it comes with any other version, but I am using Windows 10. So let's go. First of all, what you want to do is come down here at your search bar and type Paint 3D. Paint 3D. And as you can see, it pops up over here. So it takes us over here to this window. And as you can see, we have two squares here. One says new and one says open. Click on the one that says new. So now we are over here to this blank page. Now what I'm going to do, I already copied a picture that I had. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here. Now I'm going to go ahead and right click because I want to paste my picture there. So click and paste. So as you can see, this is my image. Now, if you look over here, you can see some actions going on. And it is pretty much telling you that this is where the cutout is going to take place. Now, what you want to do is come over here where you have all your tools and you're going to click on Magic Select. Click on it. Now, as you can see, some circles are here. What this is pretty much telling you is that you can grab onto any one of these circles, and in a case where it is too far from your image, you can use it to pull it closer so that you can get a better detachment. In my case, I do not need it. I'm satisfied because it's close enough to my image. So I'm going to leave it as is. Now I'm going to come over here where it says next. Click on it. Now, as you can see, look at this green bluish line going around the image. This is exactly where it's going to be detached from the background. In a case where a part of your image is cut off, what you can do is come over here, click on this pencil here, and you can draw it in to include it as a part of your image. Now, in a case where piece of the background is attached to your image and you do not want it, all you got to do is come up here, click on the eraser, and you're going to just draw on it and take it out. Now I'm satisfied with my image. Now I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, it's right here and my frame is all around it. You can use these little tools. You can rotate and all that. You can bring it down. So now I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to show you that it does work. Click on it and pull it away. See? Your image is detached. It is as easy as that. So guys, look at it. Isn't that really, really cool? It is. So now what's gonna happen is where you want to place your image, what you want to do with it at this point. In my case, I'm gonna cut it and save it somewhere for future use. But if you want to, you can also copy, and you can rotate, you can do a lot with it. It's up to you where you want to put it, where you want to store your image. I'm gonna cut mine, like I said, and I'm gonna store it somewhere. Cut it, and now it's gone. Now I'm left back with this image. I have no use for it, so I'm gonna close it. So come up here and click on this X. Okay. Now it's asking you, do you want to save it? I don't want to save it, so I'm gonna say don't save, don't save.